Here we go, fourth graders. Your learning target is how does text structure help us understand what we read? So I'm going to read to you text structure right here. Text structure. One way authors organize informational texts is by focusing on causes and effects. An author may state a cause or why something happens. Then, the author describes the effect, or what happens as a result of that cause. On page 326, the author says no one can study weather without measuring what is happening. Then she explains what happened as a result. People invented instruments to help them measure wind speed, temperature, and humidity. So a common organizational structure in text explains processes, such as development of a hurricane as cause and effect. So there's some examples here. The low pressure area acts like a chimney. Warm air is drawn in at the bottom, rises in the column, cools, and spreads out. As the air inside rises and more air is drawn in, the storm grows. So if we look at this organizer we've used earlier in the year, warm ocean water and low pressure are the cause. The effect is the warm air keeps rising. And there are key words here, acts like, as, and causes, that can identify a cause and effect. So let's look at another one. The Earth's surface is rotating, and the rotation causes the path to curve. The air travels in a spiral within the storm. So there's the key word here, causes. So I can add that in here. So you're going to go back and reread hurricanes and look for words like this, acts like, as, causes, and that's going to be clue words that we're talking cause and effect, and you're going to fill in the cause here and the effect. So again, the cause is why something happens, the effect is what happens as a result of that cause.